In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep table rows together in your document, seamlessly ensuring your work remains neat and organized. We'll explore two straightforward methods to accomplish this. Now let's get started. First, let's dive into using the toolbar, which is a quick and effective method for most users. Begin by selecting the table in your document. To do this, simply click and drag your cursor over the entire table. This highlights all the rows within your table, ensuring we're working with the correct data. Next, we'll access the table options. You'll want to scout the toolbar for the section labeled Table Options. Now, if you don't see it right away, that's okay. Sometimes these options are tucked away beneath a More Dots icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. Once you've located that, go ahead and click on the Table Options button. With the table options now open, we're going to move to the row properties. In the table properties dialog box that should have appeared, look for a category that says Row. It's often displayed with an arrow next to it. Simply click on this arrow to expand the row settings. At this point, our target is to prevent the rows from spilling over onto the next page, which can be frustrating and interrupt the flow of your document. Find the checkbox that says Allow row to overflow across pages and uncheck it. By doing this, you're ensuring all rows will stay neatly together within the boundaries of your page. Finally, we've finished with the changes, so you can close the Table Properties box simply by clicking the X in the corner. And there you have it. Your table is now set to keep rows together. Now, let's explore the second method using the Format menu, which is equally effective and gives you an alternative way to achieve the same result. Start again by selecting your table. Highlight the entire table so every row is included in the modifications. For accessing the table properties, this time you'll navigate to the Format option located in the top menu bar of your document editor. Click on it and then hover over the option labeled Table. You'll see Table Properties appear on the next menu. Give that a click to continue. Just like before, we're headed back to the Table Properties dialog box. Look for the Row category once more and click the arrow beside it to open up those specific settings. Our aim remains the same, keeping those rows together neatly. Uncheck the Allow row to overflow across pages checkbox, which ensures all the rows in your table will stay confined within the same page without spilling over. So now you've learned two practical methods to keep your table rows together. Feel free to choose whichever suits your workflow best. Thanks for watching and happy document editing.